Hello everyone, in the last video I talked about IP rotation and I also showed you in a practical way how you can use IP rotation, how and where it works. I have also sent a test mail to you here. It was shown that both different mails are received here from different IPs, so in this video we will talk that when someone replies here, where will he receive that mail? Then he will receive his incoming mail. We'll discuss in this video. Okay, that's why I installed VestaCP here, so I reload the VestaCP here and add my domain here. Okay, as soon as you add the domain here, then mail here. In this also, your domain gets added here. After that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to create a mail account here. Okay, so before creating the mail account here, let me show you one thing here. Isn't it? Open webmail here, so when I open it, an error like this comes here. First, let's solve this error. After that, we'll create a user here. Okay, this file is not found here. If there is an error, then I have to solve it, so I have given all the solutions here in the file, so you must check it out. So what you have to do to solve it, you have to run this command, cd. So what is your EDC? Go to the roundcube mail folder, and there you have to edit each file. The name of that file is config.inc.php. Okay, so first of all, but what you have to do is that this is nano editor. If you have to install it, then run this command, yum install nano. Okay, after installing it, it is basically an editor of a terminal. Either you are here, or you can also go to file, etc. and do edits, etc. And what happens with this is that you can edit that file in the terminal itself. So this is it, so that's why I am installing it. So this file, I will not edit it, I will do the same here. Okay, so here, this is done. I make it clear a little, and here I run that command again, no, and after that I name the file like this. And just you have to come down in this file and here which one this is the name of the scan, which is written here. You have to remove it, and after removing it, you have to put this name in it. Plastic, if you want to put this name in it, then just come here and right-click the mouse, then paste it. There is a way to save this file. You have to type control. There is a problem, it will be solved here. What do you have to do now? There's one list, 0 account, click on it. And here you have to click on add a mail account. Now one of your administrators, one is here. Let's create an end password and keep it as our own, which is the VestaCP password. I put it here, I clicked on add here, then my mail account has been created here, I put it here. I am the password, which is my username, this is this, and I entered the username here on login. I clicked on it, it is fine, but even after logging in, there is a problem. So what comes, I will show you. Compose. You have to click on. Okay, you have to click on compose, you have to put this in the from email, and I put this email in this one. I put my mail ID in the subject. I put anything here, and then here I click on send. I click OK. When I click on send, it shows you a connection error here. Look, a connection error is coming here. Before that I am here because if you do not want to send through this, then it is okay. I come to the mail, click on it, and then after coming here, what do you have to do? Here you can also do this. This is no editor, you have to open it. You just have to scroll down in this line also. You add this line in it. I will show you this line. Okay, yes, you add this line also in it. Control, you have to type cd, press space, and click enter. Then you will come to the root, and there also you run these two commands. I will show you these two commands. Okay, so you will not receive any other errors from this. Here I copy this, here I paste this, and click enter. After that, what you have to do is that you have to come here, you have to come to VestaCP and here. You have to come to the server. After coming to the server, you restart the services that are here. As it is, then you can see it here. If you click on restart, then the service will be restarted. After that, restart this Nginx page 2 after that there. Or 2xm, I restarted this also here after the xm. I restart this also here, so that's it. If there are services, then you can restart them. The problem is here, the incoming problem will be solved here. You have to solve only the incoming problem, the outgoing one is working here. If you do your outgoing in PMTA, all this has been done here. And all the services which were required have been restarted here. Now, what you have to do is that if someone replies to this mail like this one, then I reply to him like, "Hi, my name is Vikas Nira." Okay, I send it, so when anyone replies on this mail, where should I receive it? Here is the details of it. Download, I reload it here and check that the reply on this is yours. Does it come or not? Okay, or you don't have it. You can open it from your domain also, so I come here and here I open web. Mail, webmail, and here I open it and show you the round tube. This is here and here I open my mail ID. Okay, the password is mine. This is my password. I logged in. Okay. After logging in, look for a mail here. This one has already arrived here. Hi, my name is Vikas Nara means I am receiving my mail. Come here also. I refresh it. See here also this mail has arrived and it is also visible here. If it gives you where your mail has come from, then all these things mean that you will keep receiving your incoming mail here one by one, and then I close it here. Or leave it as it is, which is the above mail. I also reply to this that yes, this is my channel. Okay, yes, I also send it and click on it, and now I come here for the round tube. I come and wait and just refresh the mail that I have now. One more thing, let me show it to you. Okay, then you will get the idea that your has come. See it okay? You have to send, and this reply mail will be received here. Okay, yes, in this video, we discussed how we can receive our incoming mails and what we will do in the next video. There is a MailWise application which is used for sending, so we will install it, and on that we will use our power MTA SMTP. We will set up the page, etc. on it, and through that I will show you how you can set up campaigns, etc. on there.